So guys, for the first step, once you're on VLC Media Player, you want to click on Tools on the top. Now you want to click on Preferences. Now once you're on this, on the bottom left, you want to click on All. Now on the left hand side, you want to click on Input/codecs. Now we're going to scroll down until we find File Caching. Just scroll down to the very bottom until you see File Caching MS. You want to change this number to 800. Make sure that you have the number 800 in the file caching box. Now you want to click on Save. For the second step, you want to click on Tools again. Now you want to click on Preferences. And now you want to click on Input Codecs. It's going to be saying Hardware Accelerated Decoding. You want to make this Disable. Make sure that you have this option on Disable and then click on Save. For the next step, you want to click on Tools, Preferences, Input Codecs, and then click on All on the bottom. Now on the left hand side, under Input Codecs, you want to expand Video Codecs. Now you want to find FFmpeg. You want to click on this. It's going to be saying Threads. You want to change this number to 2. Make sure that you have Threads on 2 and then click on Save. For the next step, you want to click on Help and then click on Check for Updates. Make sure that you're using the latest version of VLC Media Player. For the last step, just restart VLC Media Player and this should now fix your problem.